Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Able Electric. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I wanted to send this custom video over to you guys showing how you guys can start to increase your traffic to your guys' website, which will be able to allow you guys, no pun intended, able to allow you guys to increase profits and sales every single month. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your guys' website. It's a really good looking website, honestly. I like that you got the photo right away. Seems a little big and kind of grainy. Maybe we could clear that up. That'd be great. But for the most part, you have a couple call buttons, request estimate buttons. That's great. You have some content here, reviews, more or less, I would say this is. Your services that you guys offer. You can click on more services. But you guys don't have a ton of content on your website. Google absolutely loves content and really want to be able to load that into our site. One way we can tell how much content or how well our content is going into a tool here like Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that we like to use. There's free versions out there you guys can use yourself, but this is what we prefer to use. So with that being said, right here in Ahrefs, it tells me that you guys currently have 147 organic keywords that you are targeting. Some of those being Able Electric with 1,000 search volume every single month. Able Electrician, 200 search. Electrician, Kansas City, Missouri, 200 every single month. The Electrician, Overland Park is a good one as well. It's 300 search volume. But we can compare and contrast that with your competition, Jeremy Electric. And we're going to do the same thing for them. We put them into Ahrefs and we see what kind of numbers they have, right? 2,000 keywords these guys are targeting. Some really high volume ones as well. Electrical questions, 500, 300, 500, 500, 8,800. Combined total, these guys are getting an additional 10,000 searches every single month over you guys just because they have the correct keywords in their website. Not to mention that, but also the backlinks. Backlinks go hand in hand with keywords. Keywords alone will not rank us online. We need to have backlinks as well. Google does love keywords. They will rank you for it, but not nearly as high as having good backlinks. And we can do the same exact thing as the keywords, right? We can go and figure out what kinds of backlinks that these guys have, how powerful they are. So, for example, we have a couple of these expertise all website, Poons Colleges, home inspection, top rated local, right? We got the high DR. Those are high powerful sites. These, and these right here. We have some lower powered ones, probably some citations in there, as well as some guest posts. We want to have all kinds of backlinks. We want to be kind of that golden ratio on backlinks to content, and it'll really start boosting us up like crazy online. Not to mention, we also have the Google My Business profile, right? We have you guys here. Got a good handful of photos on there, not bad. We also have 18 reviews, which is good. We want to make sure that we have our info down here and our about information right here optimized as well. And we can compare that, again, to Jeremy Electric, right? When we search electricians right here, so we're going to go to Google search. We're going to search electricians, Kansas City, Missouri. First thing we're going to see pops up is Google guaranteed ads, right? These are a great way to get to the top without having to worry about all the backlinks and the keywords. But you end up paying Google for them, and a lot of that money just goes away because we're paying what's called a PPC or a CPC, a cost per click or a pay per click. So that a lot of money ends up getting wasted there. So that's why we want to focus on organic as well as ranking organically in our SEO. So Jeremy currently has 360 reviews. They have actually just gained one since I last saw. So we really want to make sure that we optimize everything up to their standards and then go above and beyond, because we don't just want to match these guys, right? We want to absolutely meet up to them and then blow them out of the water. That way you guys can become the #1 electricians in Kansas City, Missouri area. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was super helpful for you. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. All of my contact information is at the bottom of my email. I will be available all day, all week long. I am here on Saturdays and Sundays a little bit, but not quite as sporadic. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.